Okay, so time to put some masking tapes. I've done this on these 8 boards and try to put them even, and then I will sand down sandpaper 320 down these so that the acrylics paint, these 4 here are acrylics paint, and some people on the internet say you can't paint acrylics on linseed oil or oil based. This is oil based linseed oil, so I'll show you. And then you have some people saying you can do it, you can paint acrylics on oil, but not the other way around. So I am a believer of that way, that you can't paint acrylics, you can't paint oil paint on acrylics, because oil paint wants to get stuck to something like wood or the underneath, and acrylics is just plastic sort of. So I'm a believer that oil, you can paint acrylics on oil, and I will show it to you today. I probably will sand down some, as I said, but I will also try some where I haven't sanded it down, because I believe it will stick even otherwise too. But of course sanding it down is better. So I'm also gonna use this Acrylic plåt facade. It's for metal cover paint. It's a nice bluish. I will do it. It's the same color as this one in the middle here, and I'll put the middle string here that color, and then sort these out in some nice fashion. The white is this Becker's Tradition linseed oil paint, white, half blank. It's sort of satin. It's a bit more than satin. It's a bit glossy. Yeah, you say glossy, not blank. Okay, come along. So I put masking tape on both sides, and I'm just using a regular. Tesa is the best, otherwise Biltema. And so you can see this is old one, so I prefer to use the new one now. The old one has more yellow look. Here we have the acrylics I'm gonna use. Liquitex is pretty good brand. So I'm sanding away here. So I have started painting the patterns, and I sort of like this one. Perhaps should leave the rest white, but yeah. So I'm on the second on some pieces, and some I forgot to paint this one. So this is first layer here, and this, I think this is second or third. So you probably have to paint this 3 times before, if you don't want this kind of look. I sort of like this rustic look, but I think I'm gonna paint it some more times. So time to start removing the tape. You should remove it before it gets stuck too fast. They say maximum a couple of days. Otherwise it might be harder to get rid of. So we get a nice line there, and I'll continue with the rest and show you the results afterwards. It's pretty nice looking otherwise too. So here the tape is gone, and you see the result. almost looks too clean. This is the paper that I removed. Well, what do you think? Now you should protect it with a 2-component clear varnish, as we say here in Sweden. Klarlack, two components. And also, as you can see, this is the one I didn't do a sandpaper on, and it's here, it's stuck. So the people telling you can't paint on linseed oil paint, they're wrong. This works for me. Just have to protect it. Doesn't rise or anything. So, which one do you like best? For me, the more rustic looks better. If you would remove this, we have tape here, you know. Sort of like this rustic look. This is too clean. It's a bit gets too clean when you remove the tape. Here we have no tape. Putting back the handles. It's just screwed.